Canal Valley Public School, Berli Khurd Rewari. Art Integration Project of Chemistry on Chemistry Behind Monuments of Haryana and Telangana. Presented by the students of class 12 Science B under the membership of our chemistry teacher Mr. C.P. Misra. Speaker Jiten Yadav. Effects by Hitesh and Jatin Yadav. Research by Dheeraj Sharma. Haryana is a North Indian state surrounding New Delhi on three sides. The Yamuna River runs along its eastern border with UP. Shared with Punjab, the state capital Chandigarh is known for its modernistic building and plant designed by Swiss architect Le Corbusier. The Zakir Hussain Rose Garden features 1600 species, while its rock garden showcases sculptures made with recycled material. Telangana is a state in southern India. In the capital of Hyderabad, the Charminar is a 16th century mosque with four arches supporting four towering minarets. The monument overlooks the city's long running Lad Bazaar, once the seat of the Qutub Shahi dynasty. The sprawling Golconda Fort is a former diamond trading center. In the city of Vragnal, the old Vragnal fort features carved stone towers and gateways. Telangana. The name Telangana refers to the word Trilinga Desha, earned due to the presence of three ancient Shiva temples. A more historical reasoning is that during the region of Nizma, the region was known as Telugu Angana to differentiate it from the areas where Marathi was spoken. Haryana. Haryana was a proud history going back to the Vedic age. The state was the home of the legendary Bharat dynasty, which has given the name Bharat to India. Haryana finds mention in the great epic of Mahabharata. Kurukshetra, the place of the epic battle between the Kauravas and the Pandavas, is situated in Haryana. Haryana climate change. Haryana is located in the northwest India between 27° 37 minutes to 30° 35 minutes latitude and between 74° 28 minutes to 77° 36 longitude and with an altitude between 700 to 3600 feet above sea level. Haryana is spread over an area of 44,212 square kilometers with a population of 211.45 lakhs. It is surrounded by Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand in the east, Delhi in the southeast, Punjab in the west, Chandigarh and Himachal Pradesh in the north, and the great expansion of Rajasthan in the south. The rainfall is the region is low and erratic except in the parts of Karnal, Kurukshetra and Ambala district. The maximum rainfall is 216 centimeter, whereas the minimum rainfall is 25 to 38 centimeter. Climate of Telangana. The climate of Hyderabad features an arid climate. The days are hot and dry, usually going up to extreme highs of 40 degrees Celsius, while the nights are cool and breezy. Winds usually bring along clouds of dust and people prefer staying indoors in the daytime, while the breeze at night are climate. Telangana is a semi-arid area and has a predominantly hot and dry climate. Summers start in March and peak in May with average high temperature in the 42 degrees Celsius. The monsoon arrives in June and lasts until September with about 755 mm of precipitation. Solids have definite volume, shape, and mass due to the short distance between the fixed position of particles and strong interaction between them. Characteristics properties of the solid state. They have definite mass, volume, and shape. Intermolecular distances are short. Intermolecular forces are strong. Their constituent particles, atoms, molecules, or ions have fixed position and can only oscillate about their mean position. They are incompressible and rigid. Unit cell. The structure of solids can be described as if they are 3D analogous of a piece of wallpaper. Wallpaper has a regular repeating design that extends from one edge to other. Crystals have a similar repeating design, but in this case the design extends in three dimensions from one edge of the solid to the other. Amorphous solid. An amorphous solid is that in which the constituent particles do not possess a regular three-dimensional arrangement. Amorphous solids lacking the three-dimensional long-range order of a crystalline material possesses a more random arrangement of molecules, exhibit short-range order over a few molecular dimensions, and have a physical properties quite different from those of their corresponding crystalline state. Types of solution. There are three types of solution that can occur in your body based on solute concentration: isotonic, hypotonic, and hypertonic. An isotonic solution is one in which the concentration of solute is the same both inside and outside of the cell. Solubility: the maximum amount of solute that can dissolve in a known quantity of a solvent at a certain temperature is its solubility. A solution is a homogeneous mixture of one or more solute in a solvent. Sugar cubes added to a cup of tea or coffee is known a common example of a solution. The property which helps sugar molecule to dissolve is known as solubility. Hence, the term solubility can be defined as a property of a substance to dissolve in a given solvent. Electrochemical cell. Electrochemistry is the study of chemical processes that cause electron to move. This movement of electron is called electricity, which can be generated by the movements of electron from one element to another in a reaction known as an oxidation reduction redox reaction. Battery. A battery is a device consisting of one or more electrochemical cell with external connections for powering electrical devices such as flashlight, mobile phones, or electric car. Rate of reaction. Chemical kinematics, also known as reaction kinematics, is the branch of physical chemistry that is concerned with understanding the rates of chemical reaction. It is to be contrasted with thermodynamics, which deals with the direction in which a process occurs, but it itself tells nothing about its rate.